point of no growth. And on this note, today I'm here to share with you top 5 self-improvement tips that are certain to make 2021 your year. Number 1. Self-evaluation. Reflecting on your past is a very important factor that contributes to your success in the future. Because before you move ahead, you need to take a break and look behind. So think about it, that what were the goals that you had for this year? Did you achieve them? Did you not achieve them? What were the major milestones that you accomplished this year? What did you learn? And most importantly, how will you use what you learned? Now the purpose of vision boards is to simply remind you of your goals. And it can be as basic as putting up the picture of a company you want to work in, or maybe a car that you wish to purchase. A lot of people feel that this is very unnecessary if you already remember your goals or if you always have them running around in your head. But let me tell you that the environment that you are in, it sets the tone and mood for you. And if you live in an inspirational environment, you will continue to be inspired. Real growth comes with hard work and sweat. And being too comfortable most of the time, that doesn't help us grow. That just makes us stagnant. So what is your comfort zone? And are you in it most of the time? If yes, then now is the time to shaken up your routine and do something different. Healthy competition is undoubtedly one of the finest ways to grow yourself. So pick up a challenge. Be it anything, be it weight loss or a financial challenge, a target that you want to achieve, a project that you want to complete, anything. Take up a challenge with a friend and see who achieves the target first. And by this process, both of you will achieve way more and have way more growth than you could have had if you were to set out to achieve these targets individually. As much as we want to improve ourselves, there will always be a few flaws and setbacks. And it is okay to ask for feedback. So talk to your colleagues, your family, your friends, or even your superiors. These people can give you an additional perspective and can tell you where your scope of improvement actually lies. And most important, do not forget to take a break. Because self-improvement is also about recognizing the need to take a break so that you can run the longer mile. Because at the end of the day, a better future starts with a better you.